Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Grammarly for writing assistance. Visit grammarly.com and then sign up and create an account. You can choose between a free plan or a premium subscription for more advanced feature. Also, you can install Grammarly extension on your web browser. To do that, open your extensions and then go to manage extensions, and in here tap the three lines at the upper left corner, then click open Chrome Web Store, then search for Grammarly and then install Grammarly on your web browser. Then after you install Grammarly, start writing. You can use to write example here. And once you have installed the Grammarly extension and access the web editor, you can start writing directly in the tool. Grammarly will automatically analyze your text for errors. Example, Grammarly will provide suggestions to improve your writing. So that's how to use Grammarly for writing assistance. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!